as if keeping up with, this chat AI era wasn't hard enough. The next wave is already here. It's already upon us, and it's already asking questions that most data foundations can't answer. So AI agents are a bit different, and unlike, a co-pilot that suggests actions or suggests information, an AI agent takes action, right? It takes it on its own, and it's querying data, it's executing workflows, and it's making decisions. So, agents now can spin up a database, it can create tables, it can create views. And according to Databricks, multi-agent usage grew 327% in just 4 months last year, which is pretty staggering. But only 19% of organizations have really deployed them at scale. And so this checklist is from chapter 3 of our AI readiness playbook. I did drop the link to that in the chat. And really, it covers 7 things your data platform needs to support agents, right? I'm not going to walk through all of them, but if you just look at the pattern, semantic context, governance, data freshness, and having one copy that BI and AI uses to query the same governed data,